Good evening all. This video is for friends of mine and a bunch of other friends of mine's friends that are stuck in Florida. We're talking Green Army, a newbie, Lost Man Keys, etc. We understand that from your posts that you can't get out of there due to the traffic, due to nobody has any gas there. We wish it was different. We're hoisting one for you. Good luck, beer. But I want you to know this. Ain't a one of us out here not praying for you. That storm's going to be a bastard. It's going to be, it looks to be bigger than the whole state of Florida. So there's going to be a lot of areas hit and hit hard. Hunker your asses down. Don't worry about anything that you have. It can all be replaced. The only thing that can't be replaced is you. Your body, your soul, your wit, your charm, and your friendship. There ain't a single one of your friends out here that doesn't wish they could get to you. Pull your asses out of there. I know I do. I wish I could. But 3,000 miles away, kind of hard to do. But know this, we're all thinking of you. We have you right here in our hearts. And most, like me, are probably watching that weather, trying to figure out, okay, is this thing going to hit or is it going to miss? Regretfully, it looks like it's going to hit. So you all just hunker your asses down, stay small, stay alive. Get an opportunity, check in, and let us know how you're doing. Don't let that be your main concern. Your main concern is yourself and your family. Your possessions can all be replaced. From your friend, the old redneck, who salutes you, I pray for you. May you all come through this hale and hearty, along with the rest of the people in the state of Florida that are about to get hammered big time. Good luck. Safe journey. Check in. The old redneck, Jeep Station 012, signing out.